Hey folks, it is Jen from Farpoint Farms here, and I want to show off this awesome little plant stand that Vevor sent us. Thank you, Vevor. This thing is pretty cool. Originally this was going to be for my office at work, but I think Eric really likes it to the point where he might actually keep it, and then I'll just keep the one I have. This thing is pretty cool. It's got a bunch of different shelves that you can go ahead and put all your things on. I only have a handful of plants here at the house, so we put what we did have on there. And the configuration can be done a couple of different ways, just depending on what you have set up and what you need. This one's pretty cool. And I have only these things. They do come with permanent tape. Right now I just have it temporary because I want to make sure the setup was just right. But these are grow lights, and they can be adjusted as you need to whatever shelving that you want. And they are pretty cool. There's 3 of them that are on there. And they come with this really cool timer. Show you right here. So you've got where you can set the different timer on it. You can set the different ones, so you can have different lighting coming on and off depending on what you're trying to focus. And then you can obviously do the intensity of it, so if you want the lights to get a little bit brighter. But this is really cool. If you notice here, if you have any plants that hang, you can go ahead and hang them from there. They've got it where you can mount it to the wall so you don't end up worrying about any tip factor, cats climbing on it, kids climbing on it, that sort of thing. And then they have another little shelf, little bracket right there that you can hang some more stuff off of. All right, when you're putting this together, the instructions that are on there are very, very simple and well laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and show a couple pictures of it being built kind of step by step. Easy to follow along. This whole thing took maybe a half hour or so to build. It was not hard at all. Again, the instructions were very, very, very clear on how to do it for each one of the presentations that they have for it. Build quality, it is way nicer than I thought it was going to be. It's pretty solid.